Hello, my friend. I would like to introduce to you our new model. This one is the surface frameless panel line. We have 3 wattage, 24 watt, 36 watt, and 48 watts. The biggest one is 48 watts. This one, we have our own patent. It's our patent product. This is our patent certificate. And this model is only available in our factory. It's very special. The installation is very easy. The driver can be taken out, and we mark positive and negative on the driver. When we install the lamp, we just need make positive to positive, negative to negative, like this. And then rotate the driver to 90 degrees. When we hear a very clear voices, it means it already finished the installation. Once again, this is our patent model. And please take a look at this. This is our patent certificate. If you are interested in our models, welcome you to contact us for more details.